Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add missing places. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. Now if you're using your Google Maps and you want to add missing place to it, then you need to go to Maps, and once you have opened the Maps, you can simply find the option called Contribute. Simply tap on the button called Contribute and select Add Place. Once you have tapped on Add Place, now you can fill in the required details after you tap on it, like place name, the category, address, and then you can add more details to increase the chances of approval, such as opening hours, phone numbers, website, and photos. You can adjust the location by zooming in and dragging the map, or tap on Edit Map Location to precisely pin. Now, simply tap on the submit button and you're all set. So this is how you can add missing places in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. We will be back again really soon with many interesting and updating videos like this.